All right, so one day I open up my Instagram DMs and I get a picture and I'm like, boom, we must get that. And then we did, and now it's in this box.
I don't even want to know.
But before, check out this. This is a hand board, exactly like Steezy and Lit had a baby with wheels. I don't know if you've ever seen a handboard before, but it looks like this. That's a pro model Braille skateboarding handboard. Whoop, whoop. Someday, I'll learn how to do this. First try!
You did it, you learned.
All right, let's do this thing. I don't know if you guys have ever handboarded before, but it's loads of fun, and you can get them at brailleskateboarding.com, and the link in the description below.
Oh no.
Power slides, fishtails, and 360s are easy. 360-degree spinning action, cast PU wheels, dual wheel braking, heavy duty steel frame, and look at that kid's face.
Dude, this versus drifter bike game of skate.
For riders ages 6 and up. Rest in peace, your knees. Ah, it has pads. I hope we don't have to assemble this.
You definitely have to assemble
No way.
it.
There goes the video.
Something smells actually kind of good. It's like piney.
I can't smell anything.
Wow.
Instructions right there.
Instructions.
You almost just cut yourself.
Who was like sitting in their house one day and they were like, wait, I got it. We'll make a knee board that has steering wheels and we'll call it the 360 spinner.
Hold it up, upside down, other way. No, like flip it around. Looks like a dog.
A dog?
With whiskers.
Somebody needs to call Fetty immediately and show him what he's missing. 4 riders age 6 and up, max weight 110 pounds.
Carlos, that's you.
Always wear safety gear, including helmet and pads. Ride only on smooth, dry surfaces. Always away from traffic. Read the information supplied by the manufacturer.
So we get a hose, we spray it in the middle of the road, and then we wait until traffic comes, and then we slide in there.
Yeah.
Let's see. Here's the instructions. Give me a push! Oh wait, there's a brake. Oh yes, put the flags in. Wow, it's awesome! It's awesome! 360s are easy. I got the incorrect posture? What do I need to do?
You need to arch your back a little more. You're supposed to arch it. There, that looks right. No, this is incorrect. Now you arch it.
I need somebody to either push or pull me.
Don't forget to arch, Aaron.
.360s are easy. I don't know how this happened, but my whole foot like splintered in half. Ow. Somebody else's turn.
Oh, there you go, nice. Wait, arch it, a little more arch. More arch.
I can't, my back's messed up. Oh my god! If anybody can 360 on that, I'll give him $1.
That's 3 fails in a row.
Oh, here you go, yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Alright. That hurt.
You gotta go wider, Daniel. Arch it, arch it, arch it. Yes! Yes!
Go faster! Oh my god! Ow! That hurts so bad every time. There you go. Yeah, you got that. This is tiring.
So Daniel was like, wait, what if you sit on it? I was like, yeah, go ahead, give it a shot. Can't imagine this is gonna go well, but
All right, go.
good luck.
This is tiring.
This is what the world has come to at this point. Solo wheel, pulling a bungee cord on the caster wheels, and Carlos is here.
This is a bad idea.
You standing on it?
Oh, I got it. Here we go.
How's that?
I think sitting down was a little better than that.
Yeah, sit down, you got that.
People will be like, oh, how'd you get that road rash? You're bombing a hill? No, you just don't want to know.
I think that was like the most anticlimactic but terrible fall.
It sounded like you lost all of your skin.
Oh, this hand just literally went. Oh, that was bad.
I don't think I can do this. I can't sit like this. My body won't allow me. So we're going back to this one. Oh my God.
Full send.
Full send. It's the only way to send.
We need to put that on shirts next.
I didn't Full need send.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah! Ow! Why are we still doing this? I hurt my back. That was fun. Terrible idea. Oh, we're going back inside.
Shred or die, baby. It's funny on the box it said it's easy to 360.
What do we do on this thing?
We 360 it.
Down the ramps.
It's easy to 360.
If this front wheel swiveled, I think that would make this company thrive. But right now, almost.
Take it down the 5, Carlos.
I think I gotta need more speed.
It's easy to 360. Everyone's dead. I don't know what else we can do on this. Look at this braking situation. Yeah, it's super workable. First try?
Wait a minute. I've got a brain blast.
Hybrid.
I don't think this will.
Oh, it's been fully hacked.
Yes. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Wait. Doesn't work very good.
My hand is numb from just sliding across the pure sandpaper cement.
There we go. Smooth.
Yes.
God, no.
If you land that, we will consider it has been skated. Oh, easy to 360.
1 footer.
Who can go down the 3? I can't do it because I'm more than 110 pounds.
Take it down the 3.
That 100% counts. Full send.
Oh my God, that was great. Let me help you out and push you.
Dude, both my kneecaps hit the ground.
We film that in slow motion.
Look at him.
I went knee first into the ground.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was an interesting experience. Please click right here to go to all the other videos in the playlist, and click right here to learn how to skateboard. You guys got it, brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need there. And there's Carlos. Leave a comment below, like, and subscribe.
Look at his swell bone. Oh my God.
Check out the handboards, link in the description below.